Welcome to this video on getting started with recreational drones, specifically focusing on the DJI Mini 3. We'll cover the essentials to help you take flight safely and confidently. First, it's vital to define recreational flight. The golden rule is that you must be flying purely for fun. This means no earning money, bartering services, or using your footage to promote businesses. Remember, drones are classified as real aircraft. You are subject to FAA rules under Section 44809. Always be aware of potential risks like signal interference and check local park regulations before you launch. Understanding the physics is key. While the Mini 3 is ultra-lightweight, under 249 grams, it can fly over 30 miles per hour. That speed, even with a small drone, requires careful piloting to avoid damage. Prepare for both a financial and time investment. A quality starter kit will cost around $450. Plan for 40 hours of combined learning and practice to really get comfortable behind the controls. Safety comes first. Always maintain a visual line of sight, respect the 400-foot altitude ceiling, avoid flying over crowds or traffic, and ensure you are focused and sober whenever you are operating the controller. Before you take off, you must complete the Trust certification. It's a free, mandatory, and easy-to-complete online test that ensures every recreational pilot understands the basic federal safety requirements. The DJI Mini 3 is a great choice for beginners. It features a compact frame, long flight times, high wind resistance, and excellent camera quality, making it a reliable tool for capturing your aerial footage. To master the controls, remember, the left stick handles altitude and yaw, while the right stick manages pitch and roll. Use gentle thumb movements for precision, and remember the return to home button for emergencies. Your drone stays stable thanks to GPS tracking and downward vision sensors. These technologies allow the drone to lock its position, providing a no-hand safety hover if you release the sticks. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures smooth video. It isolates the camera from movement, and the native vertical mode allows for great smartphone-ready shots without sacrificing resolution. Always follow this pre-flight checklist. Check your airspace using a map app, confirm the weather conditions are safe, and allow at least 60 seconds for a GPS lock before takeoff. Keep track of your flights using automated logs, and pay attention to battery safety. Always store your batteries in a cool, dry place inside a safety bag, and inspect them for any signs of damage. To master light, consider using ND filters. They act like sunglasses for your camera, helping you achieve a cinematic look by allowing for natural motion blur even in bright conditions. Finally, match your camera settings to your goals. For video, use the shutter rule for motion blur. For photography, use fast shutter speeds and RAW format to ensure sharp, high-quality images. For practical field advice, always inspect your plastic blades before every flight. If you see any nicks or cracks, replace them immediately. Also, keep in mind the 20-hour rule. Your accident risks will drop significantly after you've logged 20 hours of careful, active practice. Be vigilant for hazards that are hard to see on your screen, like thin branches or power lines, which can be devastating to your propellers. In tight spaces, switch to Cine mode to limit your speed to 10 miles per hour, giving you more control. Tools like AirData UAV are excellent for tracking your flights. Whether you use the free or paid version, these apps provide essential mapping, weather integration, and detailed flight logs to help you monitor battery health and improve your skills. Before you head out, use the app for planning. It provides vital information on FAA restrictions, local weather, and GPS availability, giving you hour-by-hour updates on conditions and potential cautions for your flight area. You can even review your flights in 3D using your log data. This playback feature allows you to analyze your flight path, altitude, and telemetry metrics in detail, helping you identify areas for improvement after every session. Managing your flight logs is key to growth. These overviews track your total airtime, longest flights, and highest altitudes. Use this data to celebrate your progress and maintain your hardware. Above all else, have fun and stay safe.